How to export and import timelines in Davinci Resolve. Right-click on the media pool and select Timelines, create new timeline. Now set a name for it and change the number of video and audio tracks. Then uncheck Use Project Settings checkbox and change the resolution and frame rate to your liking. Click on Create button. Now we have this timeline and I want to make it a template timeline for future uses. Click on the tracks and rename them. Also, you can drag any audio effects you like to the audio tracks. Now right-click on the timeline, select Timelines, Export, and choose the first option. Set a name for it, and set the type to be in DRT format, and click Save. Now every time I want to create a video with the settings, there is no need to create another timeline. I can just import my timeline. Now let's delete this timeline and import the template timeline. Right-click on the media pool and select Timelines, Import, ADL. Select the timeline template you exported before and click Open. And now you can see that the names and effects of my tracks are there and ready to use. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.